Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with all the latest car accessories and cleaning tips. Today we're going to talk about the 6PCS Nano Sparkle Cloth Magic Car Scratch Water Stain Cleaning Cloth. This amazing product is a must-have for any car owner. It's soft, smooth, and made with ABS+Nanofibers, making it the perfect tool for cleaning and polishing your car. The best part? It's incredibly lightweight and easy to use. With dimensions of 1 inch in diameter, 5 inches in height, and 2.7 inches in width, you can take it with you wherever you go. The nanofiber material is super absorbent and can easily remove tough stains without damaging your car's surface. Plus, with a brand name like Aliexpress, you can trust that you're getting a high-quality product that will last for years to come. Whether it's for your Tesla, Audi, BMW, or any other vehicle, this car phone holder is the perfect accessory to keep your phone secure while driving. But that's not all. This kit also includes car washing plush and chenille microfiber cloth, car cleaning duster made of PP and coral velvet, and a car front windshield defogging brush with PP and ultrafine fibers. This kit is your one-stop shop for all your car cleaning and polishing needs. So if you want to keep your car looking its best, don't hesitate to check out the link in the description to get your hands on this amazing Nano Sparkle Cloth Magic Car Scratch Water Stain Cleaning Kit. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.